Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be just filming a normal video. I don't know what to really do, so let's go.
The what is what?
Don't look at me. I'm charging my headset, right?
The power bank is in your bra?
What?
Oh, I gotta, yeah.
That's how short I am. I wish I could get that with this.
Okay. You can't blame everything on your height just because you're short.
Oh, dang,
That looks like an outfit Nebula would wear.
very short with everything.
Wait, what do you mean by everything short?
I'm very short. I'm telling you the truth. I'm very short for everything. I'm gonna like fucking. My bad. I'm sorry, my bad.
Nah, why you just say that?
You're like,
Why did you say everything is so short? Like, what do you mean by that? Chicken. Please let the chicken is coming high. Ooh, the chicken. You love it. Snack. Ooh, love it. Never time.
Wait.
Do I am Steve. Do I am Steve.
I'm Carter. I am Steve. Hi, Carter.
No, I am.
What?
No thanks.
He left. I have plot armor.
Yes, you do. Cause look, you got plot armor. I'm gonna overtag you.
Yo, chew.
Nah, you tag me.
I have plot armor. Hey,
Damn.
on your body.
How did I miss that show up? Bro, play ransom. Yeah, bro, play ransom.
Guys, did you know I am Steve?
Nah, that's just crazy.
That's crazy.
Lava, chicken. Space lava chicken, it is tasting good. Oh, lava, mama.
Two plot armor failed. It wasn't working.
Crispy.
Love chicken. Steve, love a chicken. Oh, my husband. In here.
Yo, pink. Me. I'm cooked.
Nah, chill out. I'm so cooked right now. No, go do double us. Do double us.
Oh, shit.
Hold on, I want to show my viewers. Hold up. Wait. Alright, go. Chicken. Steve, love a chicken.
dog, can you please chill out with the music? Can you please chill out with the music, bro? Please, I beg.
No, do it. Hold up, I'm gonna juke him. Where's the camera?
Bro, my controller keeps disconnecting. I hate that.
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? You're about to find out.
Yo, chill out, bro. I put you in the video. I swear, if you tag me.
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken?
Swear, please. Hold, let me put you in the video again. Let me put you in the video.
Let me restart, okay.
Yo, he talks.
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? You're about to find out.
Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Let him have the camera. Let him have the camera. Get out of the way. Let him have the camera. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. See, you gotta have the camera. See, you gotta have the camera, not them. See? Like, don't move. Bro, you're the best, bro.
What's the lava, bro?
You ever wonder what happens when you mix hot lava and chicken? You're about to find out.
Taco.
He died.
What the?
Yo, did he die? Yeah, he didn't die. Wait, I get why you had to put on the Minecraft cat, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, I had to mute that guy doing all the fucking jockey shit. I did not want to listen to that.
No!
I had to mute him.
I just tagged. No, don't leave! No!
Purple fall, purple fall, purple fall. Fall, fall, fall.
No, he didn't leave. Let's go.
And we got another soundboard as soon as I mute the other one, bro.
Yeah, he's gonna be another star of the video. Hold up, come over here. You're a star of the video. Star of the video right there. Star of the video. Star of the video right there.
Like, are we badass, bro? Bro, you're using a soundboard with long arms. What do you expect? Please, what do you expect? Thank you. And he just disconnected himself. Swear
You
to
got
God, bro.
scared of lava chicken
Yes.
chicken.
I can tell when someone's modding.
Lava chicken.
You are money?
He's not modding. Hold up, he is not modding.
No, like, I can see what's in their fucking plugins folder. And that kid had like 13 different things set.
That's crazy.
Wait, how can you tell? I wish.
Because I have a platform checker and I have a fucking mod checker.
Oh.
No, that's crazy.
Yeah, so I can see what FPS they're on, their platform, and what mods they have in their folder if they're on Steam.
Isn't that just called stalking?
Damn,
I know,
I'm not
you-
going that way, legit.
I have one in my
Damn,
folder,
legit.
but I don't use it. Like, I'll literally...
Damn,
I
legit.
tag you, bro.
Dang, bro's
legit.
getting cooked.
Damn legit. Damn legit.
He's getting cooked.
Oh, what the
Come on, you. Damn. You straight, bro?
Ankle go.
I just fell over.
You good, little bro? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to juke you that bad.
I think you gotta apologize to it.
My fault, little bro. I didn't mean to do that.
What do you gotta say?
Damn, bro. My fault, Darius.
What the frick?
Can't do that today.
Oh, damn legit.
Rudolph.
You're supposed to be in a play right
Damn
now.
legit.
Wait, I'm supposed to be in the play?
Yes, you are, Rudolph.
No thanks.
Not in that way.
What do you mean no thanks?
I'd rather be juking you.
No.
Nah, hold up. Let me cook him, bro. Not you cook me.
If you touch me, you're gay. Bye, guys. Oh my god. If you touch me, you're gay.
Let me touch you.
You said if you touch me, you're gay, and then just left.
No. Did he actually just leave? That's crazy. Oh, I see purple.
That's his last name.
Am I the last person? No, I'm so not used to
Purple, come down here. You know you want to come down here, Purple.
I'm so not used to
Thank you.
I swear my life. What?
Mr. Branch.
Which purple?
Alright,
You missed the branch, Purple.
I think that's
You're
all.
gonna die.
I think that's all I'm gonna do for today's video. But otherwise, let's go.
I'm following you.
Bye.
Every single move that you do, I'm right behind you, Purple. Purple, don't go up that tree, Purple. Don't go up the tree, Purple. Purple, Purple. I'm right behind you.
No. Okay, here. Let me get all the water.
Purple, why are you falling?
Alright.
Why are you
See ya
falling, Purple?
In the next video. Bye.